So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Luna Rose, because I'm the flower that blooms at night, and as you can read from the title of today's video, we are doing another makeup haul, since I have found some of the most adorable and cutest makeup I have ever seen. I literally caved in and had to buy it all, so let's get into this makeup haul, shall we? So I purchased all of this makeup from Bone Idol Beauty with my own money, combined with the help of my Patreon family, as well as my spicy page, which I will leave a link to down below. I will also try my best to link down below their website as well as the specific products that I picked up. And let's get into it, shall we? So you guys may or may not know this about me, but I am a huge anime fan. I am a huge otaku. Anything to do with like gaming, manga, anime is very much like my cup of tea and very much my vibe. And Bone Idol Beauty seems to sell very kawaii kind of Japanese culture anime inspired makeup. So the first thing that I picked up from them is the Let Them Eat Cake eyeshadow palette, and it is like a full like Marie Antoinette kind of anime inspired palette. Honestly, the packaging that this brand does is just... it sold me on it. Like, I do not care what is on the inside of this palette. The outside, the name Let Them Eat Cake, very like Rococo, Marie Antoinette vibes, but make it anime is just... next level. But the inside is also very much a colour story that I would gravitate towards, very much something that I like to do when I'm in drag, which is a lot of like nice neutral tones mixed with some like pinks and purples. This is very much like my jam, very much my vibe. I've not actually tried out any of these eyeshadow palettes before, but the packaging sold me. I literally dove in. I purchased it all with my own money. They don't know who I am. I just saw the packaging, saw it, and like, I needed it. I went on a big shopping spree. So first thing I got, let them eat cake. Or let them drink milk. The next thing I picked up from Bone Idol Beauty is the Sakura eyeshadow palette. Again, very like anime themed manga like looking packaging. Very much up my alley. Again, it sold me on it. And the inside of this palette is kind of similar to the Let Them Eat Cake eyeshadow palette I just showed you, but it's a little bit more like neutral focus with a few like softer pops of pink in it. But again, this is very much a colour story I will reach for, very much a colour story that I will like use a lot of when I'm in drag. So if you want me to utilise any of these palettes in like future transformations or whatever, let me know, since the packaging, like literally the packaging, so adorable. Ugh, gorge. Now the next palette I picked up from them is the Doll Face eyeshadow palette, and this is actually what I saw on Instagram that like inspired me to go down their rabbit hole of buying a lot of makeup from their website, since it's very like anime but Barbie themed, and I'm in a full-on like Barbie toy mood, hence like the Care Bear like little kimono moment I'm wearing. But yeah, this just, the whole branding is just so effing good. And this one is a lot more of a colourful eyeshadow palette. So you do have some nice blues, some peaches, some pinks, some like pressed glitter shades, which honestly, you guys know, I'm a drag queen. I enjoy like glitter and sparkle. And yeah, again, the packaging just... whoever designs their packaging for them and like the whole branding and theme, I love it. I absolutely love it. They do also sell other things that aren't like eyeshadow palettes. Eyeshadow palettes are just kind of what I gravitate towards, but they seem to have like mascara and like an eyeliner and like different glitters and stuff. But yeah, I love me an eyeshadow palette. So the next one that I picked up is the Treasure Island eyeshadow palette. Again, the package, like the like concept art that they come up with for these, just... oh, it's so... it's just my vibe. It's what I enjoy. It's what I'm always going to enjoy. It just, like, sold me on it. This one has quite an interesting colour story of, like, I would say greens with a few other colours mixed in. It is a palette that has, like, some nice kind of unique shades, like a nice, like, limey, like, acid green, which is one of my favourite colours of all time. But, yeah, this one, I guess, is a little less up my typical kind of neutral pink-toned alley, but... it's always good to have some more like fun pops of colour in your makeup collection. And again, the packaging. The packaging. This brand just... they knock it out the park. Like honestly, their styling, packaging, branding, it appeals to me. The next thing that I picked up from them is the Angel eyeshadow palette. I am actually planning after Halloween to do an angel look and a devil look and a few other like fun things mixed in. So when I saw they did a palette that was literally called the Angel eyeshadow palette, I was like, they have the colours that I want. They have the packaging, the branding, the name. And this one's like a nice like peachy neutral palette with a few like pops of blues. Honestly, I love like a good pop of blue in an eyeshadow palette. And this one has that like really pretty like tealy looking metallic pop of blue, which honestly, I think if I did like a nice neutral like kind of cut crease eye with a blue like sparkly lid, it would be gorgeous. But again, I literally bought this to do like a full on like angel transformation after Halloween, since the packaging is kind of the theme of this video. What is also fun is they also kind of had a devil eyeshadow palette, and this one is the Hotter Than Hell eyeshadow palette, and it's kind of the opposite colour story and kind of what you would expect from a more like sexy devilish eyeshadow palette. So you have a lot like deeper tones, deeper reds, deeper purples. This is a very like sexy, seductive eyeshadow palette, and what I thought would be super cute after Halloween, I'm already thinking ahead to the future. I really want to do like a really pretty like soft angel, and then do like a really like sexy dominatrixy kind of devil using these two eyeshadow palettes. And yeah, this is some really like good tones. It's really hard to get like a good matte red, so I'm hoping these matte reds are really pretty, since again, the packaging, the branding, it just does it for me. And then the final thing that I picked up from them is the Lost in Space eyeshadow palette. Again, a full-on like cybertronic manga anime like heroine on the front. Very much my vibe. And this one has the kind of a little bit more out there kind of sci-fi and neon colours with a few like fun like glitter shades, like this gorgeous like silvery sparkly glitter, as well as the most stunning purple glitter. I really want to do a full-on like Jessica Rabbit transformation again in the future. I did do it a few years ago for Halloween, and I'm looking back on like old Halloween videos I've done, since, you know, we're getting into that season. It's about to start my Halloween like series again, and when I saw my Jessica Rabbit, I was like, I need to redo that. So this has the most stunning like purple combo for a Jessica Rabbit eye I've ever seen. So yeah, get excited for that. It should be coming again after Halloween. I'm trying to like prep and pre-film and get everything ready, so my Halloween series can start from October 1st. But this packaging, again, the packaging. That is the theme of this video. Honestly, they sell the cutest makeup. And yeah, that is everything I bought from the brand Bone Idol Beauty. Again, I purchased this all with my own money. They have no idea who I am. I literally just went hammer on their website, since everything's very like manga and anime themed, which is very much akin to what I enjoy. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which eyeshadow palette I should use in future transformations or tutorials. Like I said, I am already planning to do an angel look as well as a devil look. And I also want to redo my Jessica Rabbit look using that gorgeous like purpley glittery moment. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the girl next door with something more. Like I said, my Halloween series will be starting from October 1st, running all the way to the 31st of October. That's right, I'm planning to do 31 different makeup transformations, with my theme kind of being horror icons reimagined. So think like Carrie, Ghostface, Regan from The Exorcist, a bunch of like classic characters, but done up with double D's. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. How cute is the packaging though? Like, I don't think I've said it enough this video.